So we use the term sexting talking about really the sharing of intimate images or selfies taken by people and shared with others. This is what children themselves call nudes or sharing nudes. Talking to your child about sexting can be a little bit tricky, I guess, and a little bit awkward, but it's quite important. And again, like most other things, it's something you should probably do proactively because it's pretty serious issue, and it can have pretty serious consequences for the people involved. There are a couple of things you really need to talk to your child about when it comes to kind of sharing these intimate images, and they are really the law in relation to sharing these images, and also the whole idea of consent. The sharing of explicit images of minors is captured under the Child Pornography and Trafficking Act, and under this act it is illegal to create, to possess, and to share images of minors engaged in sexual activity. Anyone prosecuted under the Child Pornography and Trafficking Act will be put on the sex offenders register, and there's no exceptions and no flexibility. The reality in how this is actually enforced is quite different. Most children would not end up being prosecuted in a court for taking pictures of themselves and sharing them with others. But they may well find themselves going through the diversion program, which is basically a program run by the Gardaí for children, which allows them to caution the child and engage in restorative justice processes. And one of the kind of criteria for being accepted onto this program is that the child accepts some sort of responsibility for what they have done and shows some remorse towards the victim. If a child goes through this process, they won't end up being on the sex offenders register. They will be given a caution, and that will be expunged from their record after a short period of time.